Alright, I have here a Saeco Vienna Plus, and it had spilled some what looked like coffee behind the machine, underneath the machine, and what I suspect is happening is that this area right here is clogged. There's a little drain, and so we can use a syringe to spray some water back here, and I can see that it's not coming out that little drain. Now I can take a pipe cleaner, stick it inside, and then now all sorts of messy, watery coffee comes on out. So what you can keep doing now is once you've got the drain cleared, you can use the syringe to keep spraying in more water to flush it out, and the pipe cleaner to get out the junk, and that's how you solve that problem. Be sure to check out the link in the description to my blog post that has a complete troubleshooting guide for the Saeco Vienna Plus.